Hello everyone, pour salt in your pocket for massive sales, business boost, favor and contracts everywhere you go. Pour salt in your pocket for massive sales, business boost, contracts and favor everywhere you go. This is New Life with Precious. You're welcome back to my channel. Thank you, my long-term supporters, for always coming back to my channel. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. And if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Remember to press the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. So today's video is going to be about pour salt in your pocket for massive sales, business boost, contracts and favor everywhere you go. You are into business, but your business is not progressing as you think it should go. You're looking for job, you're looking for favor, you're looking for contracts, you're looking for business solutions everywhere, but nothing is working for you. I'm sure this is very, very uncomfortable. It is very depressing. It is very sad to have this kind of experience. But I tell you, relax. Your problem shall be solved. If this video sounds as something very interesting to you, then I want you to stick with me till the end of this video, because this video is going to be very powerful, it's going to be very beneficial, and it's going to be very helpful to you. Okay, are you set now? Can we go right ahead? Okay, let's go. So pour salt in your pocket for massive sales, business boost, contract and favor everywhere you go. Maybe sometime in the past your business has been progressing. You have a boost in your business, and recently things are not going as they should go. You are not having any sales, you are not having business contract, you are not having favor, you are not having you are not having any promotion at work, you're looking for job, you're looking for favor. Things look so tight for you. This is very, very depressing, I know, but there are spiritual practices that you can do to help your life. This is not fetish. What I'm trying to tell you is not diabolical, because most time people will look at things like this as very diabolical. They think, oh, that's fetish. Is this thing godly? Well, I tell you right now, this is very godly. This is not fetish. This is not diabolical. Okay? You're just using natural things made by God to better your situation. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go right ahead. I know you've been waiting to hear or to see what is it. So here it is. So all you need is sea salt. You need natural salt. This salt right here is very powerful. Okay, so all you need is just put salt in your pocket. Whenever you're going for interviews, whenever you're going to look for job, just put this salt in your pocket. But don't just put it in your pocket. You have to pray. You have to pray, because salt is a spirit. When you pray to it, it carries our spiritual request. It's very powerful. So all you have to do is pray to Almighty God. Okay? Whatever you're looking for, you're going for interview, you want business sales, you want business contracts, you want massive sales, you want business boost, you want favor everywhere you go. Just pray to salt. Make sure you get natural salt. It's very important. Just put like a handful of salt, pray to it. A serious prayer. Whatever you want God to do, just pray to it. As you pray to the salt, you are charging the salt up. You are making the salt powerful to do the work for you. So get a handful of salt and just pour it in your pocket. Okay? If you feel you don't want to do that, if you're looking for a job, just get a handful of salt, just put in the middle of your file. The file that you carry around when you're going for interview, when you're going to look for job. Just pour like a handful of salt in the middle of your file. Okay? You can even put like a handful or like even a pinch of salt in your shoes. When you're going for business contract, you're going for job hunting, when you're looking for job, you're going for interview, or let's say you want to convince people about something. Just put a pinch of salt under your tongue after praying to that salt. I promise you this is going to work for you. This has been working for a lot of people, and people have had a lot of testimony about the power of salt. Pour salt into your pocket to attract massive sales, business contract, business boost, favor everywhere you go. This is going to work for you. I promise you 100%. Okay? So I've come to the end of the video. If you love this video already, just go right ahead and give it a thumbs up. Okay? Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Don't just watch this video alone. Share it with others, because other people might need this. This is a lifesaver. Okay? It's a lifesaver. Just share it far and wide. Share this video on your social media handles. Okay? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button right now. Okay? Like, comment, and share my video. Turn your notification bell on so that you'll be the first person to get my video anytime I upload my video. Okay, I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, I leave you in the hands of God. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.